Welcome to Casa Vermouth Padrón. My name is Sinisha, and today I would like to present our vermouth Mira Blanco. The Mira Blanco, when making it, we're using a white wine as a base, a young white wine as a base, made from the grape varietals of Xarel·lo and Macabeo. Those grape varietals we have in abundance in our own vineyards here in the location of Campo de Tarragona. When producing this vermouth, what we wanted is to bring out notes of the character of the wine that we're using. Therefore, what we've chosen to do is use a formula of botanicals, which will transmit this fresh, lingering, and citrus feel. If you smell the vermouth, the first aromas that will appear are those of white flowers, Mediterranean landscape, and Mediterranean citrus fruits. Continuing from there, there is a note that is very recognizable, and that's the one of vanilla, which we have here. The vanilla carries over a creamy mouthful, and that will remind you of pastries, which is a long, lingering finish provided at the very end of the tasting. The way to enjoy this best is like with a white wine or a cava. Chilled, straight out from the fridge, small measures. If it's a very hot day, put a cube of ice inside, maybe a slice or a twist of lemon or lime. That would carry over the citric feel. Welcome here to Casa Vermouth Padrón to try it on site. Thank you very much.